So I did want to come by and give you an update on the routine that I'm following recently, and to also clarify a couple of things about double cleansing. So, okay. Yeah. So with regard to double cleansing, what you do is start with an oil-based cleanser. Earlier I used to be using the Nalpama Radhitailam, but now I'm just using an oil-based cleanser, which is either the Dr. Curacle Pro Balance cleansing oil or the Dr. Curacle Alpha Gel cleanser. So both of these are oil-based or balm-based cleansers. So what this does is it works on the concept of oil dissolves impurities in oil. So generally through the day your skin tends to secrete a little bit of oil, which is called sebum and stuff like that. So what this oil does is basically dissolve all the impurities in your skin, and this is what it's supposed to do. So basically a lot of people also ask me, I don't wear makeup, am I supposed to wear what shall I say? Am I supposed to be double cleansing every day? So I would say yes, it is best that you double cleanse. So while I was talking to you, I ended up picking up the foam cleanser. But at this stage, what you do is just pick up, start with an oil-based cleanser and start with this. But now I've gotten into the foam cleanser, so I'm just going to go right into it. But it is at this stage. Okay, let me just wash it off so that it's not a confusion. And that's a waste of product. Yeah. Okay, so give me 1 second. Tamil la solunga baby ya. Yaroda baby. Okay, so hi, I'm back. Alright, so what I'm going to do is demonstrate to you how the double cleanse works. So you take the gel cleanser on dry skin and just, this is how much I've taken. It's actually a bit much. So basically, where's my outfit from? I think this is I think this outfit is Payal Pratap. It's actually one of my favorites. I like anything to do with botanicals. So let's do this. So as I said, double cleansing happens on dry skin. Whether you wear makeup, you don't wear makeup, you wear sunscreen, you've been sitting at home the entire day, if you've just been inside the house, whether you're working from home or you're stepping out, whether you're wearing full face makeup, all of this, it helps. Double cleansing helps basically cleanse the skin thoroughly and gently. Dennis Parker, remove your dress. Nice, very nice. As usual, all these badly brought up boys by their parents will have to come and say, and imagine this is some porn video. Power, zero sex education in this country and such depraved boys. Very sad. Anyway, I don't think this idiot understands it's illegal. So this is the first step of your oil cleansing. Do not ignore your neck. So let's do this. Okay. So if you see, basically it does the first level of cleansing, and this is when you actually follow up with your foam cleanser. You don't have to wipe off your face as I did. I think I just did it as some sort of a reflex action. So you just take your foam cleanser, let it foam quite a bit, something like this, and cleanse gently. This is your double cleanse. So as I said, you will take, especially if you're buying the products from Isle of Skin, you will take the Dr. Curacle cleansing oil or the Dr. Curacle Alpha cleansing gel as your first cleanse for your double cleanse. On dry skin, whether you wear makeup, whether you wear sunscreen or don't wear any of this, whether you stay indoors or whether you stay outdoors, if you want to have really nice squeaky clean skin and you want to have a skincare routine, double cleansing helps because it's gentle, because the first step involves using an oil or a gel or a balm type cleanser, followed by an extremely gentle water-based or a foam cleanser. So this helps remove any other impurities that may have been left behind by the oil cleanser, right? So this is a very, very gentle step. So what you do now, okay, I hope the perverts have gone. Alright, the other thing that I would suggest is that if you're somebody who rides a bike, whether you're a guy or a girl, or actually despite your gender identity, if you ride a bike, you would be prone to attracting a lot of this dust and pollution onto your face. So double cleansing is definitely for you. If you have stepped out, especially in cities like Hyderabad, which are generally very dry, and there is a lot of construction going on in so many of these new areas, and there's so much of dust. Even if you're staying out indoors, I know how it is, like how dusty it is inside the house. So double cleansing helps to keep your skin healthy, and one of the best ways of keeping your skin healthy is having a good gentle cleansing routine. Always remember that whatever you do, always focus on your neck as well. I'm not doing much of my neck because this is on camera. So cleanse your neck and be very mindful of that. The next thing that you would do is introduce a toner. The Piankangyul Mist Toner is great, especially if you have dry sensitive skin. This works for you. This is also a toner that you can actually spritz onto your face throughout the day. And this is another product that I have started liking. I don't know if you see this anyway, because you're seeing the script the other way. So I take a little bit of this Cosrx Light Fit Real Water Toner to Cream. So I just take a little bit of this. It looks like a cream, but it's actually as light as a watery toner, right? So I've been using this in my toner step recently, and it's extremely hydrating. So if you're somebody who has sensitive skin, if you have very dry dehydrated skin, if you have oily and dehydrated skin which is also sensitive, this works beautifully. So you will find this on Isle of Skin. The next step that you could do for your daytime routine is use the Cosrx Oil Free Moisturizing Lotion. This is fantastic for sensitive skin. It's fantastic for oily skin. It's actually fantastic for all types of skin in my opinion. This might be a bit much for your face, but I needed to show you, right, because on camera it might look a little less than usual. So this is something that you can use as a lovely daytime moisturizer, and on top of this you can layer the Dr. Curacle No Sebum Sun Lotion. This is super gentle, has a very, very, very mild fragrance that kind of disappears in a few seconds. So one of the top reasons that people's skin have a glow, it has this very lit from within sort of an effect, is because of hydration. One of the things that can go wrong when your skin is probably developing acne, or it's purging, or it's having breakouts, and all of this is Basically because one, your barrier is compromised because of you've been using a lot of acids and you have compromised your skin barrier, thereby exposing the more sensitive layers of your skin to pollution and other skin irritants that cause acne and purging and pimples. Or the oil and water balance in your skin, which is generally default for all human beings, is a little off. So you will see that, sometimes a lot of people tell me that your hands are developing, these lines, white lines, which is something that happens to me as well, especially in Hyderabad when the weather is changing. I think during the monsoons in Hyderabad it's fine, but I think around now I can actually see, because I also do a little bit of planting and changing things in my flower pots and stuff like that. I noticed my hands became like super dry, and in general Hyderabad, the city like Hyderabad is super dry. It's not like Chennai where there is humidity in the air, right? So in cities like Hyderabad, I see the need to hydrate my skin a lot more often than I would naturally in say Chennai or in Bombay whenever I go to work. So now I have basically, while I was talking to you, I let the Cosrx Oil Free Ultra Moisturizing Lotion sit on my skin. Now the next step was for somebody, if you have like super dehydrated skin, I'm going to keep my AirPods here so that I don't. Super dehydrated, super dry, and you're looking at upping the hydration, or if this is also something that you want to be doing, you want to kick up the hydration in your skin so that you have this general lit from within glow, your answer is in hyaluronic acid. So hyaluronic acid is something that introduces a lot of moisture onto your skin, and better the moisture. One of the things that you can do, one of the top things that people say to, delay aging is, one is to use sunscreen, the other is to definitely moisturize, right? So this is a pretty heavy duty moisturizer that you can actually just take a little bit. If you have dry dehydrated skin, this will completely disappear into your skin. And in Hyderabad, this cream, this is actually pretty lightweight. I mean, you won't feel as if you have put on some really thick, massive cream, but this works so beautifully on your skin when you want to introduce a lot more hydration. And at this point is when I will be introducing the Kumkumadi Thailam to introduce a little bit of oil. So let me come back. So the Vaidhi Ratnam Kumkumadi Thailam that I have personally curated onto the platform is something that, is something that I use underneath my eyes. This is just a drop. This is something that you can use around your eyes. Safe to use. This is an Ayurvedic recipe, and you also apply a little bit of this, just this much, right, onto your lips. Some people do message me about the darkness around their lips and lines and stuff like that. So if you can probably maintain this routine. So this is the close-up of how my skin looks right now after the routine. So if you noticed, I did a double cleanse and I layered 3 products, and all of them were hydrating, and now I also applied a little bit of oil, and this is how it looks. Okay, so if you notice this, the Kumkumadi Thailam will also help hydrate your lips, keep it healthy, and will prevent this darkness coming from around your lips if used long term. I am going to be telling you this time and again, skincare comes with consistency and patience. The products on eyelid skin are not like bleaches. They are not going to, it's not like this floor acid that you throw on the floor and immediately you see whiteness. It's not like that. Skincare doesn't work like that and shouldn't work like that, in my humble opinion. So if you can maintain a routine where you're cleansing your skin right, where you are using sunscreen is most important, and you're moisturizing your skin, and based on your body type. Some of the Ayurvedic oils is also something that you can use. You can have, incorporate oil in your head bath, in your body massages, so weekly Abhyanga Snana. If all of that is something that you can do in your daily routine, and also if you can try probably gargling with coconut oil or with a little bit of gingerly oil. That's something that I do because as a part of my voice care routine. And recently I have shared in that video also, though it's a paid partnership, I have been using it for a couple of months before I decided to put up that video, that Encore D's probiotic sachet. So I basically put a little bit of that under my tongue, and then I let it slowly dissolve, and then for the next half an hour I don't drink any water. So that's generally the kind of thing that I maintain for my voice, and also general oral hygiene. Gingerly oil, what they call as oil pulling, right? That sort of a gargling is great for your this throat area and your mouth area as well. So this is what I do. This is my updated skincare routine, and this works beautifully for dry, dehydrated and sensitive skins. I hope this will work for you. It has worked for a lot of people, and I hope this will work for you. Until I see you next time.